home screen of the application. What this application pretty much does is give you a rating based on your star signs for the day. So every day you get a rating for your star signs. So you can tap on this R icon here to look for your star signs, and let's say you're a Cancer, we'll give you an update as it relates today. Your update as relates to your star signs. Also, you have other signs that it will give you as well. As you can see here, we'll read your palm base. We'll read your palm and tell your personality. So that's pretty much it for this. And the next option here is just pretty much finding your compatibility as it relates to star signs. And another one is based on your birthday. And down here you have the weekly option, so you can also go back. If you have missed it, let's say you just install the application, you can go back and check on readings for your star signs as well. So nothing much for the application. You can also go in this ask section here, much like a AI option here, where you can ask the AI as it relates to your star signs, information, and so forth. So nothing much for that. In the settings option, nothing much. You don't have a subscription or anything like that. The application is completely free and you don't have any ads as well. So very decent application. And if I've missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.